Okay, so actually we just discussed, but not fully discussed. We have discussed, yes, you're right. Actually, we have discussed about this, but not completely. Okay, so we did not create it in practically. Okay, just theoretically we have discussed. Correct? Mohammed, can you hear me? Hello, Mohammed, can you hear me? Hello, Mohammed, can you hear me? Hello. I think there is an issue with this audio. Just allow me some time. So better I can retrieve this. I'm sorry, man. This is my bad. Actually, there is an issue with this audio. That's the reason. Yeah, thanks for your response. Yeah, yeah. So identity access management. Okay, IAM is AWS Identity Access Management Service. It is a kind of separate service in AWS. Why we will use this IAM? For example, there is a company. Okay, so there is a company. For example, Mohammed actually joined our company. Okay, for example, that company name is you can consider Facebook, for suppose. Okay, for that Facebook, yeah, for that page Facebook, I'm working as a manager. Okay, for suppose. Okay, so now Mohammed joined as a new employee of Facebook. Clear? So now I need to give the access to the Mohammed. Okay, in AWS, so by using IAM, so we can able to allow him. Understand? So I'll tell you very much clear. So for example, oh, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm doing it, but just screen got off. Yeah, better you can. I hope you can share see my screen now. I guess. Can you see my screen? Yeah, awesome. Yeah, fantastic. IAM. Identity access management. Okay. So, for example, Mohammed. Okay. This guy, Mohammed, is working as a manager. For suppose he is working as a manager in Facebook. Okay. Mohammed is a manager. He is working in Facebook. Okay. So now this is one organization. Okay. So Mohammed is as actually admin. Okay. He is also have admin privileges. Clear. So now Lokesh just now, or you can consider, um, yeah, you can take any name, Trump for suppose. Okay. Trump is a new guy. Okay. He want to join. He already joined in Facebook. Okay. He joined in Facebook as a developer for suppose. Clear? Trump is a guy who joined in Facebook as a developer. Okay. So now this Trump will reach Mohammed. Okay. Hey Mohammed, actually I joined in your company. I just need access for AWS. He will request you through email so that Mohammed, please allow me for AWS access. Now Mohammed will allow Trump AWS access by using IAM roles. Clear? What is IAM doing here? In this IAM, he will create a user. Okay. For example, you just understand this is AWS account. Okay. In this AWS account, there is a service called IAM. In this, sorry, IAM, in this roles, okay, users, policies will be there. Okay. So now, as a user, he is just a new guy, a developer. You will create Trump user. Okay. So far, you just talk about only user. Okay. We are talking about user. You are created one user on top of Trump name. Okay. And whenever you create this Trump name, whenever you create a user on top of Trump name, you will get access key. Okay. You will get secret key. Clear? You understood now? One second. There is no sufficient disk. Okay, okay, okay. One second, Mohammed. me, Let me try to delete some videos. Okay. So actually, record has been stopped actually, just because I have insufficient space in my laptop. So it got started now. Okay, that's awesome. So let us begin. Let us continue from here itself. Okay. So now you understood, right? So this
Yeah.
Mohammed will create IAM. Okay, Mohammed already have a full privileges for IAM. So now Mohammed will create a user on top of Trump name. So here access and secret key will be there, or he will get password also. Okay, so he will get one ID. Okay, through which ID what he will do is, so now in AWS account Trump will able to log in. Trump can able to log in by using these credentials. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So example, EC2 is one instance. Okay. EC2 is a one service. S3 means simple service, simple storage service is one service. EBS, elastic block storage, is one service, which means this is related to volumes. which means this is related to hard disk, extra hard disk access. Okay, and Route 53, and all these such kind of services are available in AWS. So, for example, Mohammed gave only for EC2 access for suppose. Okay, you understood? Mohammed only gave
Yep.
access to Trump, only EC2 related. Remaining is he did not allowed. So Trump only can access EC2 instance. Clear? S3 bucket,
Yes.
EBS, Route 53. As a root user, he can able to access all. Okay, example, Mohammed is a root user. He can able to access all, but Trump only can access EC2 only because Muhammad allowed only EC2 access. That is for by using policies. By using policies, he restricted all the services except EC2. Clear? That is the
Yes.
purpose of IAM. Okay. See here. IAM is used to securely control individual and group access AWS resources. Okay, IAM makes it easy to provide multiple users secure access to AWS resources. Example, in our example, I mentioned only Trump. Okay, but I just want to add more people also. For example, Lokesh. Okay, he will add Lokesh into this AWS. Okay, he can give access to S3. Okay, I will add Mubin. Okay, I will add Mubin here, but I don't want to give any access here. He can't enter into this AWS. Clear? This is organized AWS. Mohammed, you are actually able to open AWS that is actually root root level access. That is only individual AWS account. But for companies, Facebook has AWS account. Okay, that on top of on behalf of Facebook AWS, you are going to join as a user. You are going to, so this Lokesh will able to only access S3 account. Mobin could not able to access any account because Muhammad did not allowed him to any services. But Trump has access only EC2 access. Like that, we can able to. For example, I added one more guy. For example, Noor Muhammad. For example, this guy joined in Facebook. Okay, but this Muhammad is allowing him all access. Here in this case, he will access EC2 instances. He will access S3 account, S3. He will able to access EBS. He can able to access Route 53. You understood?
Yes.
Can you please explain me little bit what you understood? Don't mind.
So I am the main guy, the Mohammed. I'm the admin. I
Yeah,
give Trump the access of the EC2 only, but the other people, location Mobin, I haven't given access only for AWS.
yeah. By using this IAM policies,
Yeah.
so other users can be restricted by Muhammad or admin. Understood?
Correct.
Admin can able to,
Yeah.
for example, I have terminated Mobin today because he is not part of my company. Okay, this guy, for example, if you don't have privileges to terminate him after he leaving this Facebook, he can able to do any vulnerabilities. Okay, he can able to crash your entire system. He can able to crash your AWS access. Okay, for that reason, before he leave, I will terminate his access. You understood?
Correct.
Yeah, this is how we can able to secure our AWS account. So for example, if Mobin has all root access earlier, okay, before Mobin got to know that okay, these guys they're gonna terminate me, then what we will do is I can able to crash entire system. There are chances to happen like this. Okay, so that's the reason we will not allow root access. We will allow only service level access. AWS is EC2 is one service, S3 is one service, EBS is one service, Route 53 is one service. Next, the same lot of other services are there. We will allow only few service level access. Okay, by using user, we're gonna create users. By roles, we can able to allow the this services level permissions. So then according to that only they can able to allow, they can able to utilize these services. Okay, if you want to restrict them, you can able to restrict. You can also restrict location, you can also restrict from. Okay, you can able to restrict everything whatever whenever you want. It's in your hand. Okay, admin can able to do anything. Okay, Mohammed is admin here. Mohammed can able to allow. So if they want to, if you are as a Mohammed as an admin, he have all the privileges. He can able to restrict users. He can able to create the users. He can able to restrict the roles. He can able to create the policies. So these are all comes under IAM, identity access. By using identity access management service, you can able to do all these things. You understood? Now,
Yes.
IAM allows you to manage users. You see here, users, groups, and their level of access to the AWS service. Exactly, we have discussed this point. Okay. So now, what does IAM gives to you? It gives you centralized control of your AWS account. Okay. So the access, centralized control of access, all will provide by IAM only. Next, to shared access to your AWS account. For example, Mohammed, you already have account, right? Okay,
Yeah.
you can able to create a user called username is as Lokesh. Okay, you can give the access to me also. Okay, so instead of you also I can able to control your account. Okay, without your permission also, if you give all the permissions, I can able to control your account also. Okay, if you allow me as a user with some permissions or roles and policies, I can control only few of the services. Okay, granular permissions. Okay, next, multi-factor authentication also. Multi-factor authentication also you can provide. You know already multi-factor authentications. Okay, for example, yeah, so Trump is your user actually. Okay, but thing is, you should know that. Okay, Trump is actually your user. Trump is your user. Okay, so this Trump is as user. You must know that whenever you want to log in your AWS account. Okay, so then by using multi-factor authentication, so for example, thumb or OTP or some such kind of this some authentications. So he can able to enter your AWS account. Otherwise, he can't enter AWS account. This we will use for security. Clear? And allows you to set up your own password rotation policy. Okay, create keep your own password, but after you can able to allow so to create their own policies, sorry, their own password. Once after creating user, so you will provide user name and user ID and password. Okay, then later there is forgot password. Using forgot password, the user can able to set their own type of password also. Though they kept their own password, we have still access to control this user, no problem. You understood?
Yes.
Great. Next, so users in the sense, who is users? Users are people. Groups in the sense collections of users with similar permissions. Okay, what are the roles? Roles in the sense set of permissions that define what a user or group can do. Clear? So rules,
Yes.
in the roles we can set the permissions. Okay, to define the user or group what they can do. Okay, policies, what are the policies? The document, the document that defines one or more permissions. So by using these different types of options, we can able to control the users. Clear? And the services also. Okay. So this is all about IAM. Hope you understood.
Okay.
So this is just about IAM. So I'll quickly show you what IAM will do, what IAM does. So that's it. Today's let's close after this. See here, Mohammed. So signing using as a root user. Okay, yeah. But you see here one more thing. So you see here account ID, IAM user sign in. Okay, I can able to create a user, but user can able to log in through account ID. Okay, their name and their password, through which user can able to log in my account, whatever permissions which I have given. Okay, so now I am entering through my password as a root admin. I think it is fine. See here, I'm not a robot. So this is my password. I as a root admin, root user. See here, multi-factor authentication. So this multi-factor authentication will provide you more security. Okay. See here. So you can type anywhere in this. You can type here in this global search IAM. See here, identity access management. Yeah, awesome, right? So you see here users. You can create the users. Can you hear? Can you see left side? So in AWS, everything, if you want to see all the options, left side you can see. Okay, left side you can see here users. Understand? Create a user. Okay, create a username is uh, Mohammed. So this is user. Okay, so I want to create an IAM user. I just want to create IAM user. So custom password, I am going to keep on custom password 12345 6. Okay, I just kept like this. See, right? User must create a new password. After creating this user, also I'm also providing the privileges. So once after, I'm just keeping this default password, but user have a privacy, right? Okay, user must keep their own. For example, you are working in an organization, you are doing some task. Okay, the task should not be seen by others. Okay, that you must have your own privacy. For that, you can able to, we are allowing you to create your own password later. Okay, this is default password, so which I am providing you, but later you can able to change this. Okay, so if you allow this only, you can do it, otherwise you need to follow only one password. This password must not be changed. If you check mark this only, you can able to change the password. Okay, like this. So this is not strong password. It should have 8 characters minimum. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 MD. This is also not strong. Mohammed at the rate 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, Mohammed at the rate 1 2 3. See, this is the password. Mohammed at the rate 1 2 3 4 5. I have given like this. Later you can also change. Okay, got it. So now next. So I don't want to save. Attach policies. See here, I'm going to give EC2 access. Okay, see here. So I'm going very fast. So once after seeing this page, you will see add user to group, copy permissions, attach policies directly. Okay, add user group in the sense currently we don't, so far we don't have any groups. Just forget about it. If you have a group already, if you want to keep Muhammad into that group, you can use this. Okay, so far we don't have groups, that's why just keep it. Next, copy permissions in the sense which you already used from the group. If you already created attached policies, then that you, if you have already existing group, So then you can copy that same and you can utilize. So far we don't have anything, just skip it. So whenever you are creating a new, you just use attach director policies. You just click on here. I'm giving only easy to access to the Mohammed. Clear? Okay. I'm giving easy to full access. Just you only check mark here, enter, next. That's it. Nothing else. Create user. Just you are creating user. That's it. Clear? You just got some password and also you have some ID. Just simply download CSV file. Okay? Simply downloaded CSV file. Got it? You see, whenever you open this, so you can see this, right? Got it? So this is how Mohammed can able to share. If you are as a AWS administrator, you can able to share this username, this password, this ID to them. You understood? So now you can able to log in through this. So I'm going to share with you. Clear? Paste here and this password also. Enter this one and you can use your name as username also. Mohammed as username. By three, using these three. So you got it right? I hope you received. Yeah. So now, so what Mohammed can only access EC2 instance. You understood? So now you see. So now Mohammed is added as a user here. You see here, right? Mohammed is added here as a user. Okay, now Mohammed can able to control my AWS account only EC2 user. Okay, Mohammed, do one thing. Can you share your screen now? Let me stop my sharing my screen. I'm trying to teach you very practical way. If you concentrate, you can do wonders here, Mohammed. I'm saying. Can you share?
Yeah, I did. No.
Yeah. Can you open AWS account now? AWS account. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Just see that I am. Oh wait. Go back. Go back one step. So now you are not going to log in your account. Okay. Your credentials which I have shared with you. Okay. AWS. You just see in your mobile and type there. Okay. Don't open
Okay.
live. Okay. Don't open your WhatsApp in live. I'm saying just open your mobile. Okay.
Uh huh.
Open your mobile. I shared with you something, right? So which is the number is there, right? You can see 211 or else you can do here. IAM username is there, right? Stop. IAM username is there, right? The
Uh huh.
below box. You can use there Mohammed MOHAMMED. Okay, yeah. So now password. No. Don't do anything. Just only give the name. That's it. Password. Yeah, password is Mohammed @ 12345. Just see the password. Yeah, the ID is 2111. There is actually link, right? In that link there is ID number 2111 255 78467. Yeah, now try to log in. Yeah, what is that? Authentication information is incorrect. Okay, so 2111, not 11. 2111. Yeah, and 255 78467. Yeah, awesome. So the password is mohammed at 12345. Show password. Click on show password. Yeah, you could see that, right? It is asking
Hmm.
you want to change any password, old password. You have to give the old password. This is
Oh, put the old password.
yeah, yeah. So it is asking. We have checked it, right? We have checked check marked, right? While I'm creating user Mohammed user. So at the time, so we checked it that to change password, user want to. If user willing to change their password, they can change here from here. The old password is Mohammed at 12345. Can you see? Show password. Yeah, exactly. If you want to keep new password, you can keep any new password. Noor at 12345 something kind of your kid name, right? Yeah, confirm the password. Password must be match. Yeah, great, matches. Yeah, confirm. Okay, continue sign in. Yeah, you see that? So this is not your
Yeah.
account. Okay, this is actually my account because I as admin, I as admin, I have given you privileges. I have given you access to use my account. My account means I'm working as a manager for Facebook. Here, I have given you
Yeah.
access. The same way, if you are working as an admin in any company, so if somebody asks you to, or if you get a ticket to create account, you have to create access. For example, there is 9 dots, right? Left side, top left corner. There are 9 dots. Yeah, click on. Yeah, all services. So, or else you just type in search S3 bucket. Type in search S3. Simple storage service S3 means S3. Type S3.
Sorry, come again.
Simple storage service. Yeah, storage service. Click on AFS also, no problem. Any service doesn't matter. Just we are checking purpose, verifying purpose. I'm just asking you to, yeah, you see, try to create file system. Yeah, scroll down. Give any create file system. Any name. Just see here. Try to read that. User ARN IAM Muhammad is not authorized to perform. Red color. Okay.
Yeah.
Why? Because you did not have access for EFS service. Okay. The same way, if you take any service here, you can't access. You understood?
Yeah.
Any except EC2. Except EC2, you can't able to access any service. Can you type EC2? EC2. EC EC2. Yeah, that's the one. Click on. Yeah. You can launch the instance here. Okay, give any random name. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. Scroll down. Launch instance. Click on launch instance.
Where? This?
Yeah, yeah. Remaining everything is default. You can keep any name here. Key name. Muhammad. Yeah, yeah. Name. Key pair name. Key pair name. There is a box. You could see. Yeah. Muhammad. IAM. 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 Hyphen IAM or minus IAM. You can keep anything. Yeah, IAM account. Yeah, that's enough. Launch instance. Just it is a key. Okay. We are creating a for every time If you create EC2 instance, create you must create a key. You understood? See this? Can you go to
Yeah.
instance? Click on blue color instance's name. Click on
Mm,
instance. Yeah, yeah. Instance. Yes. Click on that. So it is trying to create. Yes. Yes. You could see, right? Yeah. You could able to create. You do it. You have done successfully. You have done on top of my machine. You understood?
yeah.
So which means by using this, by using IAM, you can able to create users and you can able to allow them into different services. Okay, you are allowing, you are creating users, you are creating policies in the sense I have given you access, easy to access. But except this easy to access, Mohammed could not do anything here in IAM. Right? You understood?
Yeah.
But Mohammed, you have already AWS account, right, on top of your name.
Yeah.
But in that you can do anything, but not here because this is IAM related. That is root. That is root. Okay, that is root. This is IAM account. You understood? IAM account which you
Yeah.
got from your manager or me. But that root access for root access, whatever your account is there for them, you are as admin, you are main for that. Okay, your account, you are as a admin, my account I as admin. Okay, in my account Muhammad is a user, he can only access EC2 instance, not any other.
Número.
Got it?
Yes.
So that's it. I am done. You can see here identity access, introduction to identity access done. Okay. Components of IAM done. Root access keys done. Password also done. Centralized sharing access done. Okay. Policies permissions done. Okay. Next we'll see remaining all this stuff tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is really interesting, right? This is not that much hard, Muhammad. Easy, right?
Okay.
Easy, easy, man.
yeah.
Easy. You could do it. I'm sure, I'm sure, I'm fully confident on you. You can do it if you keep concentration here.
Okay.
This is easy, man. AWS is easy. Easy, easy. You can do it. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's it from my side. So we have completed one topic, IAM.
Okay.
Okay. So I will try to cover many topics, but if you um, for any instance you could not able to understand any topic, let us skip, not a big deal. Okay, so slowly gradually you can able to understand the topic. Okay, and later I can also teach you, I can also train you multiple times if you want. So I'm sure about it, I'm very much confident, I'm very much sure about it. You never get such kind of my type of trainer anywhere, I'm sure,
Mhm.
because I'm
For sure.
personally caring you. I'm chasing you.
Yes.
No trainer will chase anybody. For example,
yeah.
so other institutes or some other any other where anywhere you go, anywhere across you go, anywhere you go across USA, anywhere you go across country in
Yeah.
India. Okay, no trainer will chase you. They will tell you that if you want to join, you can join. Otherwise, you are mish. That's it. They won't waste your time on top of you. But I'm personally caring because my students should grow along with me.
True.
I hope you understood. Okay, do practice. This is my request, and also consistently, please maintain consistency also. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything to discuss? That's it from my side.
No, that's good.
All right.
Do I have to log off from you or no?
Yeah, you can log out. Not a problem. I can also control. If I want, I can able to terminate. That we will see tomorrow. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, for example, Mohammed is actually no longer with my company. So I want to try.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to keep with me, and I don't want to keep in his account in my account. Okay. So immediately I can able to terminate. Immediately I can remove from my group. Immediately I can able to terminate from my account. Root account. Clear?
Yes.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining your time and have a good day. Please have a peaceful sleep.
You too. You too. Thank you so much.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.